Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the basically icon with the percentage on it. This is the battery icon. You can tap on this icon, and here we have the battery saver option. Tap on it and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And as you can see, the battery saver is now turned on, and that's how it looks like. You have access to the battery percentage, hour, date and steps. That's about it. And to exit the power saving mode, to turn it off, you need to press and hold the upper button and keep holding it until you see the normal watch face, like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.